We have reviewed dozens of air purifiers, yet our experience with Dyson models began just recently with the Dyson TP02. Although a bit older, the Dyson TP02 Pure Cool has proven its worth and stands out as one of Dyson's best air purifiers. While it doesn't have large coverage, it has a few innovative features that we will touch on in this review. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Setting up this air purifier for its first use is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly packaging that makes it almost ready to use right out of the box. First, unpack the device from the shipping box and remove all the protective tape. Then, place the Dyson in your chosen location and please put it at least 10 inches away from walls or other objects. Plug it in and turn it on. Dyson is well known for its unusual and innovative designs, often characterized by a unique tower-shaped style. The model we reviewed is available in white, silver, and iron blue color combinations. It's made from high-quality plastic, giving it a premium look despite not having parts made from traditionally premium materials. The Dyson TP02 consists of two parts: the lower part, which includes the filter, motor, display, and control button, and the upper part, which functions as an air outlet extension. A notable drawback of this air purifier is the lack of carrying handles, making it a bit difficult to move it from room to room. At the bottom of the device, there's a control button with a small display located just above it. The button primarily controls basic operations, while more advanced functions require connecting to the MyDyson Smart App or the use of the remote controller. The Dyson TP02 is a premium air purifier. As such, it comes equipped with various features. It can be controlled using the physical button at the bottom of the device, but the primary controls are operated through the MyDyson Smart App and a remote. Among its features is an air quality sensor that monitors the room's air quality in real time. This sensor works with the auto mode, which adjusts the fan speed based on the current air quality. Additionally, you can read the air quality data through the MyDyson app. But the data isn't displayed on the device's display, unlike on some newer Dyson models. For more detailed information about the features of this air purifier, visit airpurifierfirst.com. The Dyson TP02 is a cylindrical air purifier that is made of two parts. The lower part contains air intake openings arranged around the device in a 360-degree pattern. Air is drawn in through these openings, filtered, and then exits through the openings located on the upper parts of the device. In short, the MyDyson Smart App is elegant, user-friendly, and loaded with features that will definitely improve your Dyson air purifier experience. The app enables full remote control of your Dyson. It also allows you to monitor both current and historical air quality data, as well as temperature and humidity levels. There is also a scheduling feature and the option for voice control. Overall, these features are impressive and exactly what one would expect from such a premium device. Dyson uses its room coverage measurements, and it doesn't rely on AHAM's suggested recommendations. However, our evaluations always follow AHAM standard, which suggests an air change rate of 4.8 times per hour. Based on this criterion, the Dyson TP02 is most effective in small rooms up to 110 square feet. Even though Dyson claims its air multiplier technology helps improve the airflow a few times, some similar Dyson air purifiers that are ENERGY STAR rated are recommended for much smaller rooms than initially suggested by the brand. The Dyson TP02 features an innovative 360-degree glass HEPA filter consisting of two stages of filtration, a HEPA filter and a carbon filter. It's placed in the device's lower part. The HEPA filter efficiently removes 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, which is similar to traditional true HEPA filter efficiency. This includes pollutants like dust, mold spores, allergens, and pollen. The carbon filter, a fibrous layer coated with carbon, effectively neutralizes odors, smoke, and VOCs. However, while its performance is impressive, it may not be as effective in environments with extremely strong odors or high VOC concentrations. The lack of a pre-filter may seem like a drawback. However, even though Dyson hasn't stated that there is a pre-filter, there is a nylon mesh attached to the HEPA filter, which acts as a pre-filter on many competitive air purifiers. So we can say the same for the nylon mesh on this Dyson. I strongly recommend always purchasing genuine Dyson filters, despite many third-party filters available on the market that are significantly cheaper. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The filter on the Dyson TP02 air purifier isn't permanent or washable, so you have to replace it from time to time. Fortunately, Dyson's filter life indicator alerts you when it's time for a filter change, typically once a year. The procedure of replacing the filter is straightforward. First, unplug your device. After that, push down the buttons on both sides of your device to release the top part. Then, pull out the filter, separate it from its housing, and dispose of it properly. Next, vacuum the housing and inside the device to ensure there is no dust remaining. Now, unpack the new filter, place it inside the housing, and then back into the device. Finally, put the upper part into its position and push firmly until it clicks securely. Plug the air purifier in, switch it on, and reset the filter life indicator by holding the sleep mode button on the remote for 5 seconds or doing the procedure through the MyDyson Smart App. What makes the Dyson TP02 so special is its range of 10 fan speeds. This feature allows nearly every user to select and adjust the speed that best suits their needs in terms of noise and performance. At the first speed, the Dyson TP02 produces a sound of 41.1 dBA. At the fifth speed, it produces a sound of 46.2 dBA. At maximum speed, it produces 59.6 dBA. It's evident that this air purifier is very quiet and well optimized, making it ideal for bedroom use. You can find more detailed tests on airpurifierfirst.com, where we listed noise tests for all 10 Dyson speeds. The Dyson TP02 uses a motor of 56 watts, which isn't too powerful, but we still expected it to be better optimized for the power CADR ratio. With a CADR of about 70 CFM, it falls within the range of some smaller air purifiers. The TP02 consumes only 3.5 watts at the lowest speed and 51 watts at the highest. Running the air purifier on maximum speed 24/7 for 1 month would increase your electricity bill by about $4.50. While this may not be a significant cost, I believe Dyson could have better optimized this motor or improved the airflow performance. Besides power usage costs, there is also a replacement filter cost, which luckily lasts a very long time but is a bit expensive compared to the other air purifiers' replacement filters. All in all, the Dyson TP02 could be a bit cheaper for maintenance, even though it isn't too expensive. When it comes to performance, we rigorously test every air purifier using the temp-top laser particle meter and perform tests in various room sizes. Though the Dyson TP02 is recommended for rooms of about 110 square feet with an ACH of 4.8, we performed our tests in slightly larger rooms. In our first test in a 120 square foot room, the air purifier improved air quality by approximately 93% in just 60 minutes, operating at maximum speed throughout. In a larger 194 square foot room, the TP02 still performed impressively, improving air quality by around 90% in the same duration, again working at maximum speed. These results are remarkable, especially considering the tests were done in rooms larger than recommended for this model. Additionally, the TP02 demonstrated okay but not outstanding efficiency in neutralizing unpleasant odors. The Dyson TP02 is a premium air purifier with excellent build quality and outstanding air cleaning performance. Although it's suited for slightly smaller rooms than expected, it features a high-quality filter, plenty of smart features, and a cooling the air feature. So if budget is not an issue and a slightly higher price is not a barrier, the Dyson TP02 stands out as an excellent and reliable choice, and we highly recommend it. It's particularly well suited for smaller rooms such as bedrooms, and ideal for warmer locations where you could take full advantage of Dyson's oscillation feature. If you have any questions about this air purifier, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the necessary links in the video description. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That's it for now.